friends and folks, it's craft time today or crafting time today. We're going to make a tote bag like those. Well, summer's here and it's nice to just have a simple tote bag that we can sling on our shoulder, isn't it? Going out on our little walkabouts, you want water or sweeties or popcorn. Anywho, if you want them personalized or embroidered, you can order it online from our Facebook store. See, I'm stitching, check it out. Okay, just send us your message or your preferences. Right, let me show you how to make your own tote bag. Are you ready? This is free, so this is your chance. Right, let's start. First, choose a good fabric, a strong fabric like cotton or canvas. Make a fold, ensuring that your folded fabric has two right sides together. Thus, when you're looking down at it, you are looking at the back or the wrong side of the fabric. Decide where the top part of your bag is and then mark 17 inches along it. Then from the top, measure and mark 17 inches as well, from the top to the bottom. When you start cutting the sides, leave a ½ inch space from your line or from your mark. At the bottom part of your bag, put a mark on the middle of 17 inches, which is actually 8½ inches in your measurement. Then from the middle, measure and mark 6 inches both sides. Now let's start stitching. Stitch both sides following the marked line. Then fold in the remaining ½ inch seam to strengthen your bag's sides. Fold and stitch. Now let's work on the bottom of your bag. Stitch the bottom part following again your marked line. Then zigzag stitch the edge. Fold it in and also stitch to strengthen the bottom of your bag. You can either cut 1.5 inch of this corner or leave it as it is. Now let's do the mouth of the bag. Fold it and find the middle of the 17 inches. From the middle, measure and mark 2.5 inches. This is where you're going to place your handle. We will use 18 inches in length of webbing for our handle. Measure and mark, leaving 2 inches spare or space or seam at both ends. Now let's stitch the facing to the bag. Right sides together here. Keep checking that your webbing isn't tangled. Once the facing is on, do an understitch to flatten it. If you want to know what an understitch is, please use the comment section below. You can also have it lined or put a pocket or pockets, and as I said a while ago, personalize it with an embroidery. Anything to your heart's content. Now I'm ready to go out walking with my tote bag. Do you want to know what's in my bag? I won't show you. Well, thank you for watching, and please drop us a line or two in the comment section if there's anything you want to clarify. Okay? Bye for now.